Connect 380 volts power supply. Turn on the leakage protection switch. Inverter control panel lights up. Turn on the ignition switch. The panel indicator lights up and then goes out. Press the run button. The screen does not flicker. Adjust the speed. The equipment starts working and the wheels turn. Step on the brakes. ABS pump works. Two oil pressure gauges change. Reset the value to 0. Step on the brakes without starting the motor. The oil pressure gauge changes. Turn off the ignition switch. Demonstrate the function of the terminals on the panel. Adjust the multimeter to the voltage range. Turn on the ignition switch. Connect the terminals. The multimeter displays the current voltage. Turn off the ignition switch. Turn on the ignition switch. Set the fault. Take the second fault as an example, corresponding to the panel here. Set the fault. ABS fault indicator lights up. Use the OBD diagnostic interface to clear the fault. Select the corresponding system. Read the fault code. Restore the fault. Clear the fault code again. The fault indicator goes out. The fault code has been cleared. Turn off the ignition switch. Disconnect the OBD plug connection. Turn off the leakage protection switch. Disconnect the power connection.